Today, we are going to buy a chessboard rice dumpling bag. Now, the 5-ply milk cotton double-ply crochet is used. Crochet uses a 3.5 mm crochet. The colors are dark green and off-white. The main stitch used in this bag is SS. Let's crochet together. 50 ch from locking pin. Here's a sample for you to crochet. Crochet to 50 stitches. After 50 stitches, return to the penultimate stitch. This is the penultimate stitch. This is the penultimate needle. From the penultimate needle to his back. Pick up this line from the back. That is, his inner mountain. Second needle. Tune the mountain in the back. Crochet SS. Successively crochet 49 SS. After weaving 49 SS hooks, crochet turning chains. Then turn the fabric over. Next we can see every needle. Thread the needle outward from the center of the pigtail. Pick up half a line outside. Thread the needle outward from the center of the pigtail. Pick up only half the outside line. Crochet 49 SS and turn. After 49 SS hooks are knitted, the turning chains. Turn the fabric over next. Continue crocheting 49 SS. We follow this hook method. Totally 11 rows of crocheting. 11. After weaving the row hook, continue crocheting. 50 braids do not break. Continue to crochet 50 ch 1234. 567 890. ch. After crocheting, same as before, returns the penultimate subtitle. Returns the penultimate. Tiali mounted. Crocheted SS. Then hook this way. Continuously crochet 49 ch. 49 SS, and then crochet turning chains. Then turn the fabric over to the back. Outer half stitches continue to crochet 49 outer half stitches. And the first piece crocheting method is same. Crochet. Row 11. Next, we'll knit it ourselves. You can see 3 pieces. You can crochet 3 pieces. After 3 pieces of crocheting, turn to his side. Turn to his side. First, crochet turning chains. And then we're here. Pick South Carolina in the gap between every 2 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 South Carolina. After 6 South Carolina picks, let's go to the next piece. It's also here. There are totally 6 South Carolina in this seam. After picking, let's turn to his other side. You turn to his other side like this. After picking the side, at the first stitch, crochet SS. Then hook a needle to cut the thread. Let's crochet 3 separate pieces like this. Then we start to assemble these woven pieces. We'd better do this first. Give him a pull, because he might be, not particularly long enough. You give him this piece of fabric, pull it a little like this, click. We can see that there is obviously the 5 ch. And this side of both sides is the front. Positive is negative positive. We'll assemble it on one side. Let's assemble the other side. We assembled while we do it. Suture. Pay attention to a braid when sewing, corresponding to a braid. The end of the thread is hidden at will. Hiding will be somewhere else. This is also the way to sew. And here is it under pressure. We can pull it a little this way. So pull it out and sew it. Push the space is enough. This is it. We're like this. Then we all sew it up. Then we are the hook. After the stitching, I have hidden the side. We put this one has stitching marks here. First wipe it with a sewing needle. Hide with a sewing needle. After wiping, we covered it to the left and right. What about the seal mark? Well, cover it all. No leakage. You give him this opening to stretch like this. Stretch it. This is well, just one bag. This is a cell phone bag. What if he wants to make dumplings? Let's just do this. So relative. 2 angles are opposite. This way, this way. Then you can pull your face up here. What if you just want more refinement? We'll hook him up with a bag cover. Next, let's crochet the bag cover and other parts. We're from here. Well, here's the needle find. Locate the center on the left and right. Bring a line in. Come in and pick. External needle. Crochet. 18 SS. After weaving 18 SS hooks, we turn the fabric over. No need to crochet turning chains. It's not enough for us to skip the first needle. Jump the outer half of the needle in the second eye. A total of 17 outer half stitches are crocheted once. SS needn't be crocheted after 17 stitches are picked. Turn the fabric over. Skipping the first stitch is not enough. Skip the outer half of the needle at the second needle. Crochet 16 leads and 8 stitches. Every lap. If the first stitch is not enough, it is equivalent to losing 1 stitch. The first lap of each lap is not enough for us to lose 1 stitch. It's enough to know that the last 6 needles are left. Repeat the crocheting all the time. There are only 6 stitches left until the end of crocheting. Turn directly without hook SS. Skipping 1 stitch is not enough. Start to pick up the outer half of the stitch in the second stitch. And then we keep doing like this. There were only 6 stitches left. We can end it. Finally, when there are 6 stitches left. 123,456, and then we turn the fabric over. In the first needle. In the first needle. Crochet SS. Then hook and weave 1, 2, 344 ch. Then skip 1, 2, 34 needles, not enough hair. In the 5th pin nut. Crochet SS. Then crochet turning chains. Cut the thread. Then we'll crochet the position of the seam. This is where the buttons go. Find a beautiful button to go up. Find a nice button. Put it on top. Let's hook him again. Hook his bag belt. We knitted a piece of this bag belt. This shrimp braid. Hook method of shrimp braid. First on the finger. Tie loose knot. Then lock the needle. 2 ch. 1, 2. 2 ch. This is the first ch. This is the second ch. We're going to return to. This is the first ch. This one with the marked buckle is the second ch. We return to the second ch. Pick up the outer half of the needle. Crochet in South Carolina. And then we go back to the first needle. Ch. Hang on to this wire. Yes, come in first. Then there are 2 lines on the crochet. The upper thread of the crochet is pulled through the 2 threads at one time. And now namely, this is the place to pick in the next circle. Another thread goes down. Go down. There are 2 wires here. We took it together. To Thailand. Such. And then it became obvious. And our crochet is relatively loose. We'll just wear these 2 wires. Just loosen the crochet a little. A little looser would make it look better. The needle insertion position will also be better serged. Then let's just keep going. Hook all the way to the right place, about 20 centimeters long. And when we're done, we'll sew it up. Sew to the corner. Let's sew it to this corner. In this way, our checkerboard bag is completed.